right, Jackson, pick a key. All right, Julian, pick a key. All right, Gustavo, pick a key. All right, Julian, what'd you get?
This here is a 2019 3500 Silverado with only 9,000 miles. You would think it's a diesel, but it's not. It's a gas motor.
And what's your favorite thing?
What was that?
What's your favorite thing about the truck?
It being a gas motor instead of diesel.
All right, Gustavo, what'd you get?
2020 Malibu.
What do you like about it?
Black.
Hey, Jackson, what'd you get?
I got a 21 Chevy Traverse. Premier all-wheel drive.
All right, what's your favorite thing about it?
This button in here, you gotta come over here and look at it. You got this little button right here. You got a little secret compartment you can hide things in. That's my favorite button.